I'm Oskar.
And I'm Dan.
And today we're in
Morocco! Previously on Oskar and Dan.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
Hi, I'm Kevin.
I'm Elliot.
Hi, I'm Niklas.
My name is Serena.
Hi, I'm Glenn. Hi, I'm Traven Keith.
I'm John.
Hi, my name's James.
My name is Martin.
We're Oskar and Dan, and in case you didn't watch our previous video, we're here in Morocco doing a group trip with 10 amazing people who were crazy enough to sign up to travel with us. After a full day in Marrakesh and a day of driving through the high Atlas Mountains, we woke up in the beautiful Dades Valley.
Alright, it's a new day here in the Dades Valley, and we are about to go for a hike this morning, which is very exciting. I have a feeling that the views are gonna be quite epic.
Today's weather couldn't be more perfect, and look at this view.
So we're starting the hike through the valley. We're gonna be passing a bunch of nomad villages. The nomads who live here, a lot of them still live in caves. So they have like the caves in the mountainside and they build sort of like an entrance around it. This landscape is incredible.
It really is. Okay, sorry, we're like
We
trying
really
not to die. Yeah.
The terrain is insanely slippery. There's just rocks, loose rocks everywhere. So going down is a bit of a challenge. But
Sorry, my voice is gone today. I think you could already tell that. A lot of talking. It's so special to be in, like, oh my god, I think there was a fly on the camera. I don't know if you guys saw that. We've been in many sceneries that are similar to this. Although this may be similar to Jordan, for example, the whole vibe in Morocco is actually very, very different.
all these layers of rock just makes it look like the rings of Saturn to me. Like it really looks like something like that down here, all these mountains. So before Islam made its way here to this village, the people here had their own pagan religion and beliefs, and this used to be a temple that they would do their worship in. So it's still standing here, but now it's just sort of abandoned because people have converted to Islam.
Now it's time for a 5-course challenge. Starts with this bridge. I'm kidding, it's just this bridge.
So we're heading into a village home now to have some tea, a real traditional tea ceremony. We have to take off our shoes and we have to make sure that we step in with our right foot first, because otherwise we bring the devil with us, is the belief. So we have to do that.
Just gonna split them up, 2 tables.
This is when our host brought out 2 items, a teacup and an egg. He challenged us to flip the egg inside the cup. The only caveat was that we weren't allowed to touch the egg. We're expecting something magic to this.
You might have lung failure, but he will turn you.
What? Okay, you show us.
Oh, did it almost go? It almost went.
Yeah.
Stand up. Yep.
Your mode should be on the middle.
Now, but it's got
Yeah,
moved
yeah,
down.
yeah,
But okay,
yeah.
does anybody else want to try?
What kind of power?
Oh, it jiggled.
So should I be far away or up?
Closer.
Closer than faster.
Okay.
Almost.
So we're about to do an impromptu tagine cooking class.
There is no cheers. We're gonna win.
So you gotta place them in a beautiful pattern, right? Cumin?
A lot of cumin.
So this is before and after. After the cooking class, we moved on to our next stop. Just a quick stop here at the Monkey Fingers, which are these really cool rock formations that have been carved out by the rain and the sandstone. So there's like a stretch here of these rocks that literally do look like monkey fingers. And next up is something really exciting, something that we've never done before. Hello! Although we've been in many Muslim countries prior to this during Ramadan, tonight we are breaking fast at iftar with Mohammed, our guide, and the people who own this place that we're staying at. So that's really exciting. Our first time ever doing that. But first, I thought I'd utilize the pool at the place here where we're staying. I'll go for a quick swim. It is a lot colder than I thought it was going to be.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Oh my god, I was talking to the camera. Serena just appears out of this window talking to me, looking like a princess in a tower. Rapunzel, throw down your hair.
That's my favorite Disney movie.
Oh! It's time to break the fast.
Okay, so now we are breaking the fast in the Muslim way. I have my friend Oskar with me and Dan. So we will start by the dates and the milk, which is our tradition. And bon appetit.
Starting with 3 dates, you can only take an odd number.
So this is Tarek, our new brother in Morocco.
We had the most amazing stay at his hotel.
It was a pleasure. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to know people like you. I'm really happy.
Welcome in Sweden anytime.
Thank you so much. And this is your second home here in Morocco.
Love it. So today we are driving down to the Sahara. Sorry, you can't really hear me. But we stopped in this village along the way. We're all walking in a little line. It feels like a school outing, and I'm the teacher.
I am very happy. I know you're a very happy man. All the time happy and friendly. Yes.
Ooh, look at this.
This is the type of stuff we really like to see. A local market in this pretty small town. About 30,000 people live here in the middle of the desert.
What is this?
The walnuts.
Walnuts.
Grown here, locally?
Yes.
Yes. They just picked off the dates from here. It's like a huge lump. We're stopping quickly by the side of the road to see the most beautiful valley in Morocco, allegedly. According to Mohammed, it's really stunning.
Which village is this? We see only the tower of the mosque. It's like a collective mosque where all the people, they come to do the prayer. So that's mosque number 1, mosque number 2, number 3. So it means that in this place we have 3 villages.
It's really just so beautiful to me and so striking. When you have the green color down in the valley contrast the sand color. It's almost like a symbol for hope in the middle of all this like just vast, desolate landscape. And this is a sign that there's water down here in the valley. Do it, Serena. Okay. I'm trying something new in my motion sickness journey today. I just bought these like acupuncture pressure wristbands. So I'm gonna see if these work. I am really prone to motion sickness, as many of you guys might know. So hopefully I won't be suffering anymore. And for now, we're here enjoying this beautiful gorge. I'm gonna put the name here because I don't remember how to pronounce it. So the next stop is to finally head into the Sahara Desert. And before we do that, we need to get some proper attire to 1, protect us from the sun, and 2, the cultural appropriators, which we feel so about. But I think it's gonna come in handy to have a scarf to put around our heads when we're in the sandy desert. No, you can't cover it. No, we need to see the process.
Okay, that's it. Okay.
Okay.
And now like this. Yes.
There you go.
We're all gonna be sitting in the car for 2 hours looking ridiculous.
Because we obviously can't tie these ourselves. So we need a professional to do it. I'm just gonna record. Sorry. No, I'll hold it like this. It's okay.
That looks like a long one.
Okay, thank you. Check it out. And now, after all that, it is finally time. I have a feeling this is going to be the highlight of the trip. We are now heading into our 4-wheel drives and we are driving out into the Sahara Desert. I'm so torn all the time between saying the Sahara and Sahara. But anyway, we're going there, finally going to see the sand dunes, and we're going glamping under the stars together. And off we go.
So we are right now on the border of the Sahara Desert. We're about to enter and do some crazy 4x4 sand dune bashing.
It's just amazing, it's magical.
And here we go.
Okay. Whoa. Okay. Whoa.
We made it to camp and we have an unobstructed view of the Sahara.
Whew. That was a ride. I don't think these were enough for that ride. The best part about the location of our camp is we're kind of like on the outskirts of where all the camps are. So we have an unobstructed view of all the tall sand dunes. How are you feeling right now, Trayvon?
I've been looking forward to this trip for almost a year, and this is just delivered on all the expectations and even more. It's just amazing.
Oskar trying to be all Instagram.
I'm trying to get my inspo shot.
Okay, let's enjoy the sunset.
Bye, sun. See you tomorrow.
Good morning from the Sahara Desert. We're in our tent and we are about to see the sunrise.
Yesterday we fell asleep to a pretty crazy sandstorm. We thought for a second that our tent was gonna just fly off and leave us exposed. Thankfully it's still standing, and it's a beautiful morning. This is the aftermath from yesterday's storm. Everything is just covered in sand, and all of this has either fallen or just flown away. So joke's on us for getting up early because this cloud decided to stay right in front of the sunrise. Well, At least we got to go up and be in the desert at 5:30 a.m. How's your morning so far? Horrible. What?
Got up at 5:30 to not see a sunrise.
No.
It's not humane.
I'm so sorry for your loss. Next time on Oskar Dan. Oh no! Moroccan style. It's me. This is a new level of awesome.